Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is how you do makeup for men. So it looks natural, and you go from being this to this. Confidence. So I am currently doing a makeup tutorial for those that don't know how to do makeup, like at all. New sticks. This is like a foundation I'm gonna use. Preferably if you have a girl that like your girl best friend or like your girlfriend or something to help you pick out your first beginner makeup, because I had my girlfriend do it for me. So you put some foundation on the back of your hand. You squeeze some. Probably like another pump. Perfect. And now what you do is, chat, you rub it a little bit and then you just smear it on your face. Make sure it's even. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it everywhere. Preferably don't do like me, just one big one right here, one big one right here, and then a couple small ones right here. It's my first ever tutorial video, so don't be dogging on me, telling me I'm doing it wrong. Why are you even watching this video if you know how to do makeup? That makes no sense. Hey guys, important part, your neck. Your neck's important. So this is like step one in look maxing, is to like know how to do makeup a little bit. I'm telling you, all male models or anyone that looks good, they do makeup. So, yo, get on the wave, you idiot. And then you just dab it in. You gotta hit it really hard. The backside of this sponge. You just dab it in. Make sure you get it everywhere, okay, chat? So so you do this and just dab everything in. Literally everywhere, okay? Your neck too, everywhere. Not your lips, obviously, you f***ing idiot. But everywhere else. So I blended everything in like I'm supposed to. Now it's time for the concealer. So this is concealer. I'm using the very cheap, very basic e.l.f. concealer. You can get whatever concealer you want. I don't really give. Okay, sorry, I probably shouldn't cuss. So you put a little bit on your hand, right? Not a lot. You don't need a lot. It's fine. Unless you have a lot of acne that you got concealed, then big ups to you, bro. Not a bad thing. I used to have really bad acne too. And hey, honestly, you can't see on camera because this camera looky has a little bit of a filter, but I have a lot of blemishes too. I recommend doing this in a place where there's good lighting, because I usually do this in the bathroom and it has a lot better lighting than my room. See, I already put the concealer in the wrong spot because I can't really see too well here. Not that I'm Asian, but because the lighting's bad, okay? No way, yeah. So quit being racist. Know what you're thinking. This one got dabbing it extra hard. Pause. I have a little pimple right here, guys. So this is, you gotta dab it extra hard, you know? And then, after I'm done with this, I'll show you guys the next step. So, concealer finished, and guess what's the next step? Wrong, it's contour. If you're a beginner, you probably got it wrong. So, it's contour. So, contour is a step that I struggled with the most when I first started doing makeup, alright? And I had a lot of help from my girlfriend. So this part is what makes the biggest difference. And honestly, makeup's only the first step to, you know, making yourself look good, making yourself look confident, and I guess just look maxing, you know? Second step, obviously you gotta have jewelry, you know, fit it up, upgrade your outfits, and your hair is very important too. I got the Sephora contour stick. Just Sephora contour stick. I can't show you guys. Maybe I'll link in the bio. Just kidding, I probably won't, because, hey, I'm way too lazy to do that. Bruh. Just look at the picture. Take a picture of it, screenshot, I don't know. And so what I do actually, you get one of these Johns, the brushes, I don't know what we call it.
What?
Probably a brush, right? And what I do is, lightly, very light, line it up to your cheekbone jawline area. Like this, you see that? And right here, this is the most important part, the jawline area. So what I do is I lightly, very light, very gentle, right here on the bottom like this. And same with the other side. I gotta lock in, hold up. Alright, see that? And what I do now, so this is for the jawline contour, the face contour first. And what I do is I brush it upwards, inwards. Like, I do it like this. So I brush it up and away. Oh, I probably should have used this part. But up and away. Should be fine. Wouldn't hurt too much. But this is the one I struggled with the most back then, because contour, if you don't blend it correctly, it really looks like you have contour on, like especially for girls that have noticed. So you got to blend it correctly, and blend it a lot too. And another important lesson is after each area that you contour, you gotta make sure there's nothing left on your brush and you redo it. You know what I'm saying? If you have like leftover residue on it, it's gonna mess up the areas. I don't know. Just listen to what I say, okay? Anyways, did you see the difference? No, probably not. I see the difference.
Bruh.
Well, and then we do this side. So small, you go like this. Line it up and then bring it up. Line it up, bring it up. You see that? The motion I'm doing. Okay. Well, there's that. I think it looks pretty nice. On the bottom, obviously. So clean it out. And the bottom. Also bring it upwards. You bring it up behind your ear so they can't see the contour. You feel me? Upwards motion. You see that? See how I'm doing? Just copy what I'm doing. Alright? It's not that hard.
Okay.
See the difference? No, because I have a snatched jawline either way, so it don't really matter for me. But for you, it's gonna matter. Alright? This one too. Up and away. Up and away. Whenever you're like, oh shoot, do I do it downwards or do I do it upwards? Just think of what I'm thinking my chant. Up and away. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, don't actually do that. It's corny. So the reason why I do this is because like, it casts like a shadow right here, so make sure jawline looks even cooler. Like I look like I have a snatched jawline now. You feel me? And then here comes the most difficult part, or besides the eyebrows, this is the most difficult part. Eyebrows, honestly, guys, get your eyebrows done. Eyebrows are one of the most important parts in a man. For the nose contour, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. I've messed up on my nose contour a lot. So you get the contour stick, or you can get like the powder ones, it doesn't really matter. And you get a little bit. You just dab a little bit right here. And then you dab it on your hand a little bit. It has to be really light. So your nose contour has to be really light. I'm gonna lock in. So basically you just lightly, keyword on lightly, trace over like this. Show you guys how I do it, alright? So that's it. And then you want to blend in even more. Like make sure you go down a little bit. Don't go up, go down. Make sure it's blended. So there's like leftover contour right here on my hand a little bit. And I use the rest of this. My nose is already pretty tall, so I don't really need this, but use the rest of this for the other side. Like that. Do you see the difference? See, it doesn't really matter if you don't see the difference because I already have a naturally tall nose. This is for those that like don't have a naturally super tall nose. I really do recommend this contour, like what I just did right there. And if you put a little bit more, just blend it in a lot, you'll be fine. Just keep blending it down. It'll look good, I promise you. Honestly, see how easy it is? This literally just making you feel more confident. Like, if I walk out right now, are people gonna know I have makeup on? Probably not, right? So, dude, the stereotype saying that men can't wear makeup. Wear makeup, dude. All you're the best looking men out there, especially when they go to like these award shows and stuff or events. Chris Hemsworth, dude. I'm telling you, they all wear makeup. Their stylists give them makeup, even if it's really slight. You just don't notice it. And then brow makeup, line on this point, this point, this point, and go like that. And then a little bit right here, tiny bit. These are very light. And then go right here and you blend it. Triangle, you know, like a triangle like this. Boom, boom, boom. You see what I did? And then boom, a little bit, and then go and then follow like your lines. All right. I don't know what I'm saying.
Bruh.
You get the gist of it. But yeah, I'm gonna do this in the bathroom, and I'll be right back. I don't know if you can tell, but I just did my eyebrows. It's very subtle. After eyebrows, you get the setting spray. This is the one I use. All my makeup is very cheap. So I think a total of $60 for everything. And hey, makes you look good. So
Tell them to bring me my money.
is that it? That's it. Oh, got my eyes. Anyways, so close your eyes when you do it, and boom, I'm done. And all of a sudden, I go from looking like this to this. Yeah, wow. What do y'all think? Not bad, right? And then all I gotta do is my hair, wear a nice outfit, get some jewelry on, and boom, you're ready to go to an event and look confident, chat. Alright, so let me show y'all the finished result for everything, and I'll end the video there. Did my hair a little bit. I need to get a haircut though, but hey, besides that, haircut video coming soon. Yeah, that's it. This is... God, sorry. But yeah, this is it. That's the makeup tutorial. Wait, let me close my door so I can do like a proper outro. Alright. Peace out, guys. That is it for the video. See you guys next time. Yeah, like and subscribe, I guess. Bye.